Hey, hi students, good morning. So today we will discuss about the acidic strength of carboxylic acids. Yesterday we have finished that IUPAC nomenclature. Now we will discuss acidic strength of carboxylic acids. Of carboxylic acids. So generally due to presence of hydrogen atom which is attached to more electronegative atom, oxygen. Okay, the hydrogen atom which is attached to more electronegative oxygen atom which is highly acidic. Okay, so generally carboxylic acids in water, they donate H plus ion. This H plus ion donates here and forms carboxylate ion and hydronium ion. Okay, so equilibrium constant if you write law of mass action. According to law of mass action, here okay, so according to law of mass action, concentration of products RCOO minus by hydronium ion by RCOOH and H2O. Okay, now this is from law of mass action. And if water is extent, if water is extent, if water is more excess, if concentration of H2O is excess, we won't consider that. We won't consider. So then that K equilibrium equal to, we have to take as Ka when water is not included. If water is not present, we can write like this Ka form. So this is RCOOH. Okay, if water is excess, we want to consider. So that is called Ka. Ka is here called dissociation constant for acid. Equilibrium constant. Equilibrium is this is the equilibrium constant. Okay, that is the equilibrium constant, and K is the dissociation constant for acid. Dissociation constant for acids. Okay, so next to here only pKa. pKa is also constant, which is a negative logarithmic value of Ka. So negative logarithmic value of Ka, right? So here note this point, Ka and pKa are always inversely proportional. So Ka, dissociation constant for acids, is directly proportional to acidic strength. Acidic strength. Okay, and it is also inversely proportional to, pKa is inversely proportional to acidic strength. Ka is directly proportional to acidic strength. Okay, so next to Ka, okay, now Ka is inversely proportional to pH. Ka is inversely proportional to pH. Okay, so Ka value increases, acidic strength increases. Simply dissociation constant increases, acidic strength increases. You know that the carboxylate ion is having more resonance structures. So acidic strength order if you see. Okay, so carboxylic acids have more acidic strength than phenols, and phenols have more acidic strength than alcohols. Okay, this is the acidic strength order. Carboxylic acids always more acidic than even phenols. Okay, now compared to phenols, alcohols are less acidic. Okay, so in between carboxylic acids and phenols, carboxylic acids are more acidic. Why? Because the reason these have, after donation of H plus, these have more stable resonance, identical structure. Okay, after donation of H plus, okay, now if it is donate H plus, what happened? It forms RC double bond O O minus. Okay, so this RCOO minus can have identical resonance structures. Identical resonance structure. Okay, these are resonance structures 1 and 2. Then which is again come back, it gives reverse. So the carboxylic acid after donation of H plus, if it is donate H plus, it gives identical resonance structures, similar ఉన్న resonance structures ఇస్తుంది. కాబట్టి ఈ ఐడెంటికల్ రెజోనెన్స్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ మోర్ స్టేబుల్ దాన్ ఫినాక్సైడ్ అయ్యాలి. ఇది డొనేట్ చేస్తే H ప్లస్ డొనేట్ చేస్తే ఇది ఫినాక్సైడ్ వస్తుంది. ఆ ఫినాక్సైడ్ కంటే కూడా ఇది మోర్ స్టేబుల్. ఓకేనా? కాబట్టి స్టెబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ కార్బాక్సిలేట్ ఈజ్ మోర్ దాన్ దట్ ఆఫ్ ఫినాక్సైడ్ అయాన్. ఓకే, right. So acidic strength of carboxylic acid is more than phenol. So then here if you see the carboxylic acid is more acidic, so they can react even with weak bases. So acidic strength, if you see that phenols, if you see alcohols and phenols and carboxylic acids, if you see phenols are weak acidic. కాబట్టి అవి ఎవరితో రియాక్షన్ జరుపుతాయి అంటే దే కెన్ రియాక్ట్ విత్ సోడియం మెటల్స్. సోడియం మెటల్ తోటి రియాక్షన్ జరిపితే RCO మైనస్ ప్లస్ Na plus half H2, and also they can react with strong base NaOH. They can be react with strong base NaOH. So again RO minus Na plus H2O. Okay, and phenols, these cannot react with sodium carbonate, no reaction, and sodium bicarbonate, no reaction. ఆల్కహాల్స్ వీక్ అసిడిక్ కాబట్టి స్ట్రాంగ్ బేస్ తోటి మాత్రమే రియాక్షన్ చెప్తాయి. వీక్ బేస్ సోడియం కార్బోనేట్, సోడియం బైకార్బోనేట్ వీక్ బేసెస్. ఓకేనా? ఫర్ విత్ వీక్ బేసెస్ ఆల్కహాల్స్ కెనాట్ రియాక్ట్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇఫ్ యూ సీ phenol. Okay, phenol, if you see the phenol even can react sodium metal. Okay, so sodium phenoxide వస్తుంది plus H2 gas liberated, and it can react with NaOH and sodium phenoxide plus water. Okay, it phenols, so with sodium hydroxide alcohols, so sorry number, they won't react here, alcohols cannot react with even sodium hydroxide, but phenol can react with sodium hydroxide but not with sodium carbonate, no reaction, and with sodium bicarbonate also no reaction. But carboxylic acids, if you see, carboxylic acids are more acidic, so they can react with the sodium metal RCO minus Na plus half H2, and even with the NaOH RCOO minus Na plus water, and with sodium carbonate RCOO minus Na plus, okay, plus CO2 plus H2O వస్తుంది, and with even sodium bicarbonate also same RCOO minus Na plus CO2 plus H2O. Okay, this is a weak base. this is a weak base. Okay na? So alcohols, phenols weak acids kabatti they can react with strong base only, but not with weak bases, not react with weak bases. But carboxylic acid is a strong acid, so they can react with strong bases and also with even weak bases also, even with weak bases also, right? So